What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you. I am super duper excited. This video is sponsored by Elmers. I am so happy to be working with them again. If you haven't seen my last video that I did with Elmers, I will link it here at the top so you can click on it and go watch that and then come back to this video here. It is currently right in the middle of the Ooey Gluey Slime Games hosted by Elmers, and I am honestly so pumped. The Ooey Gluey Slime Games is all about showing off your slime creativity by sending a slime recipe that you feel is the most creative, out of this world, and knock it out of the park slime. From now until September, Elmers is releasing 6 different categories for the Ooey Gluey Slime Games, and it's going to be super fun. You just submit your recipes. Right now, we are right smack dab in the middle of the first categories, which is Brightest Slime and Coolest Textured Slime. The first, second, and third place winners of each categories could possibly win some very cool prizes. There are so many different prizes. It is amazing. Also, the first place winners of each categories are eligible to face each other off and see who is the Ooey Gluey Slime Game overall champion. The overall Ooey Gluey Slime Game champion could possibly win a video collaboration with DIY and slime YouTuber Nicole Jacqueline. She is amazing. I love her so much. But that's not it. You could possibly also win some cash prizes and also a video production kit. It is just so crazy. Elmers is being super generous with the prizes. Okay, I am just so excited to see everyone's recipe, and I can't wait to see what you all come up with. I am going to go ahead and share 2 of my slime recipes for the coolest slime texture, just to kind of give y'all some inspiration, you know? If you're excited to see these recipes, make sure you give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the Unicorn Fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you very freaking much. If you would like a comment shout out in one of my videos, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag Unicorn Fam. Make sure that you have your post notifications on. And of course, you have to subscribe to become a unicorn. I am super excited to show you all my recipes for the coolest textured slime, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so we're first going to start off by making this super crunchy unicorn pastel Floam. I love this so much, and of course we're going to start off with some Elmers products because Elmers has been my A1 since day one, you feel? So I'm starting off with this clear glue here. I love the new quart size clear glues. They're so amazing. I'm going to go ahead and pour this into a little bowl here. And to activate my slime, I'm going to use the Elmer's Magical Liquid for this because it works like magic, just like the name says, but some other kid-friendly alternatives would be baking soda and contact lens solution as well. This works like any other activator. You just add it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every single time that you add it in until your slime starts to be less sticky. I'm using this plastic spoon here because it's a lot easy for cleanup. You just throw it away when you're done. A little goes a long way with the magical liquid. It is exactly why they called it magical liquid, because it works like magic. You see how slimy this is, and I only added just a little drop of the magical liquid. It's amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep adding a little bit more of this magical liquid until it is fully activated. Now, once you believe your slime is fully activated, it still is going to be just a tad bit sticky. All you have to do is go in with your hands and start to knead it or mix it around a little bit, and then it should become less sticky. Now, I am going to leave this slime just a tad bit sticky because I do want to add in a bunch of foam beads to get this really cool foam texture, but if you're just making a normal clear slime, you can definitely stop here. Now I have the clear glue separated into 3 different bowls because we're going to color it. So it was super easy. It was magic, I'm telling you. I'm just kidding. I just used food coloring to color it pink, blue, and purple. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our foam beads. You can add in as many or as little as you want, but the more the merrier because it'll make a really cool crunchy texture. So now that our pink layer is done, I'm going to do the exact same thing for the blue and then for the purple. Now that I have all 3 of my colors made, it is time to assemble it. You can literally do this however you would like. I am going to just take all 3 of the colors and I'm going to spiral them together and then just put it in our container.
So
So now you can see how we have our spiral pattern going on here. We have all of the colors just kind of spiraled in there, and it looks really, really cool. What I'm going to do next is just put a top on this so that it is airtight, and I'm going to let it sit overnight. And here's how it looks once it has sat overnight. As you can see, the slime settles down to the bottom and the foam beads rise to the top. This is going to give you a really cool crunch. So if you're going to make a really cool video for the Ooey Gluey slime games, you're probably going to want to do this. Now, just to add my own personal touch, I'm going to add a couple of glitters onto this, and then we are done. Now this next slime is going to be a really cool hybrid of a fishbowl and a sugar scrub slime. So of course we're going to go ahead and start off with some clear Elmer's school glue. I'm going to empty that into my container. Next I'm going to go ahead and add in some yellow Elmer's glitter glue here. I really love using the glitter glue because you don't have to even use food coloring or glitter. It's like everything you need in this one bottle. It is perfect. I am just adding a little bit into the clear glue mixture, and then we are going to go ahead and mix it all together. Now, just like the first slime, I'm using the Elmer's magical liquid to activate this slime because it works like magic, but this one as well will work if you want to use the contact lens solution and baking soda method. And like magic, we have a perfectly activated slime. I did leave this one a little bit sticky because we're going to be adding in a bunch of add-ins, and so you're going to want to make sure that you leave it a little sticky so that they will stay in and they won't fall out. So first I'm going to go ahead and add in some fishbowl beads to this slime here just to give it a nice crunch. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some sugar beads as well. This is going to give it a really, really cool texture. It's literally like playing with a sugar scrub if you've ever had one of those, and it's pretty cool. I absolutely love how this slime came out. The texture is amazing with the fishbowl beads and the sugar beads. I wouldn't have thought to put these two together. It was just a random thought of mine, but it actually really works. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and a big thank you again to Elmers for sponsoring this video. Don't forget that submissions are now open for the Ooey Gluey slime game, so if you would like to enter, head it down to the description box below or follow the link here on the screen. But make sure you get a parent's permission first, and also make sure you check out all the rules over on Elmer's website. Also, don't forget to vote, vote, vote. You can vote yourself, you can have your friends vote, your family vote, anybody honestly. You can also share this on Facebook and Instagram using hashtag OGSlimeGames. Don't underestimate the power of a hashtag. A lot of people can see you that way, and you can get more people to vote for your slime just by using a hashtag. If you would like some more information on the ooey gluey slime games, or if you would just like to know more about the products that I used in today's video, make sure you follow Elmers at Elmers Products on Instagram, or of course head over to elmerslimegames.com. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because if you've gotten this far in the video, I always stress this, why ain't you subscribing? Come on. It really is simple, y'all. Just click that subscribe button down below to become a unicorn. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you again for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!